I am Sanjeev Kumar Jain from India. I am fascinated by the world full of colors all around me. When I see the green color of leaves of trees or the red color of the rose flowers, it never gives me any kind of thought other than this, that the world is made full of different colors. We just cannot separate the green color from the leaves. But the science tells us the other story. When light rays of different frequency and wavelength in the visible spectrum of 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer falls on our eyes, then it is processed by our brain as colors. When we are seeing the green color of leaves, we are actually processing the 550 nanometer wavelength of light in our brains. In making of the technology like robots distinguishing the colors or the television beaming the colored movie, we make use of only this fact that colored rays are the light rays of particular wavelength and frequency. Sir Isaac Newton passed the white light ray through a prism and it is split into a colored spectrum on a screen. Colors are not introduced by the prism, but the prism splits the different lights of different wavelengths, and when it reaches our eyes, then it is giving us the perception of colors in our brain. When we place the second prism adjacent to it, inverted one, then these lights of different colors combine back and make the white light ray. We see colored rainbow in the sky. We see colors appearing in soap bubbles. This apparent appearance of the colors tells us that colors are existing only in our mind or in our consciousness. Colors don't exist in the world outside. The property of seeing the colors is irreducible to any kind of physical substrate of the brain or the physicality of the light rays as such. Seeing colors is one of the property of our consciousness. This makes consciousness irreducible to the physical substrate of the brain. This irreducibility cannot, even in principle, be explained in terms of known matter. This leads us to claim the existence of a non-material soul in our body. The book Consciousness Explained Scientifically by Substance Dualism demonstrates the existence of soul and God, whose description is given in the link below, demonstrates that we have a soul. This irreducibility of seeing colors in our consciousness is one of the proof that we have a soul. Please subscribe the channel and discuss in the comment section below. Are you convinced or not that we have a soul? Thank you.